Kospi has exploded higher plus 8.18% to $8,096.93, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 11th, and this is your complete global market briefing. A defensive tone is setting the pace today. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 dropped sharply minus 1.62% to $7,266.99. Equity markets are responding to reports that markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes, CNN. NASDAQ 100 is down minus 1.98%, trading at $28,508. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 gains while chip stocks drag down NASDAQ 100, Sherwood News. Dow Jones dropped sharply minus 1.87% to $49,919. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX dropped sharply minus 1.71% to $24,195. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. FTSE 100 ticked up plus 0.27% to $10,255. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung plunged minus 6.06% to $302,500 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. TSMC made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.48% to $408.75. Equity markets are responding to reports that TSMC's $165 billion Arizona gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Nvidia made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 3.73% to $200.42. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nvidia earnings May 2026, record $81.6 billion revenue and RE growth analysis Intellectia RE. Goldman Sachs is down minus 2.98%, trading at $1,001.29. Equity markets are responding to reports that Goldman Sachs beats profit estimates, weak fixed income trading drags down shares. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude surged to $94.71 per barrel, up 3.56% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude surged to $91.85 per barrel, up 4.14% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas edged higher to $3.19, up 1.43% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. Gold plunged to $4,094.10 per troy ounce, down 3.89% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that gold extends losses to more than 3% after crucial inflation report, Yahoo Finance Canada. Let us give you our near-term view on Kospi. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $8,582.75 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, gaining 0% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.38, gaining 0% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears, stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals, TradingView. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If this breakdown was valuable, please share it with anyone who follows the markets. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a market update. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.